Welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management, and this is a basic mechanical engineering video lecture series. Today we are going to discuss one example of diesel cycle, and this is the best problem for the beginners. So let's see first of all the description of the given problem. Here you can see in the description diesel cycle is given to you. So first of all, pressure versus volume diagram for the diesel cycle. So my dear friend, keep in mind for the diesel cycle, there are two adiabatic process, one constant pressure heat addition process and one constant volume heat rejection process. Now I am going to write the given data into the symbolic notation. So here compression ratio is given to you as 15. So you know that compression ratio is V1 by V2, that is denoted by small r. So I can write over here r is equal to 15. And cutoff ratio is given to you as 1.75. So cutoff ratio is V3 by V2 and that is denoted by rho. Next, calculate the air standard efficiency. You know that this is the diesel cycle. So you have to find the air standard efficiency of the diesel cycle. Means eta diesel is equal to question mark. Assume adiabatic index as 1.4 means gamma. My dear friend, keep in mind, if it is not given to you in the exam, then you can assume gamma is equal to 1.4 for air standard cycle. Now refer these formulas for the Otto and diesel cycle. So here we want to find the efficiency of diesel cycle. Means here you can see this is the equation. But for that you should have the compression ratio, cutoff ratio and gamma. Now let's see whether it is given to you or not. So R is given to you. Then gamma is also given to you. Rho means cutoff ratio is also given to you. So it is really very simple problem, my dear friend. Simply you have to put this equation. So I am going to use this equation for the efficiency of diesel cycle. Now put the value over here. So 1 minus as it is, 1 upon R 15, gamma is also given to you, in bracket rho, that is actually the cutoff ratio, that is also given to you as 1.75. Gamma 1.4, again gamma 1.4 in bracket rho means 1.75 minus 1. Now simplify this equation. So first I am going to simplify this one. So here you can see 1.4 minus 1 means 0.4. In the bracket I am going to simplify this one. 1.75 to the power 1.4 means it is 2.19 minus 1 as it is. Again here you can see 1.75 minus 1 means 0.75. Again simplify. So 1 minus as it is. Now 1 as it is and simplify this term. That is 2.954. In bracket you can see 2.19 minus 1 means 1.19 and here the multiplication of these two is this one. Again simplify this. So 1 minus as it is. Simplify this whole term. That is equal to 0.3837. Again simplify this one. So it will be 0.6163. Now again it is actually the efficiency. So multiplied by 100 so that you will get the efficiency of diesel cycle as 61.63%. So this is your answer, efficiency of diesel cycle. So make a box. Thanks my dear friend for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe.